Smile is something special. A ribbon is something rare. So I'll be special and I'll be. Producer Ty can't get copyrighted. Hey, the games you need to quit. Your music sounds like shit. Check Zero's armpits, I think he stinks. Giving water to water is like subscribing to Mr. Beast in 2026. Zero music is bad, he needs to quit. And I'm stacking these racks. Subscribe to Making Games cause the YKM Mace diss track was super bad. I'm just youngest out of a party trying to get lit. Zero made a diss on YKM Mace and it was bad. Hang it up cause your music is shit. I'm on a whole nother level of greatness, nobody can compare to this. You diss the bros, then you gain this back. Take eating games out of the McDonald's drive-thru cause he eats all the Big Macs. A ribbon is and a ribbon in my hair. A ribbon is something rare.